So after being unsatisfied with these MagSafe variants of this Osmo mobile gimbal, I thought maybe try out quad lock because they have various different mounts. So I had a look online and saw that a French guy had actually thought of this idea too, so credit to him. Go check out his video, off-road trail adventure, leave a link in the description. But I had an issue, and I did comment there on my other channel that it looks a little further away from the motor than it should be, and he said he didn't have a problem, but I know gimbals, played around with them when they first come on the market, and I know that the closer it is to this roll motor, the better it will be, and it'll have less issues, and it will burn the gimbal out not as fast. So I thought, let's use some epoxy, because that's the best glue that sticks between metal and plastic. I just took apart something like this, like unscrewed it with that screw there, and just used this top bit. That's all you need. Take apart this thing, but all it is just unscrew the parts, take everything out, including the sticker. Yeah, a bit of fuss. If you're not used to doing it, yeah, it's a bit of fuss. And yeah, so if you look here, it just kind of screws on, and it's quite hard to get on. That's testament to how sticky it is. It even helps if you have this connected. It worked really well. And as you can see, unlike my French friend's version of this, there's basically no gap. His one comes like right out here because he's just using the sticky one that's meant for mounting anywhere, but this one is so flush that I'm pretty damn happy with the result. And to get it off, unless you got some like grip strength, you kind of need to use that. As you can see, the epoxy come up in there, and it sticks through the bottom too. I even put tape on the sides because I thought it might come through, but it didn't. Yeah, so if you're sick of the options on the market, try this out. Would recommend. Very happy with it. Very low profile too when it's on your phone. As you can see, it's pretty good balancing. It's how you keep your gimbal lasting long. If it's swinging around, it just swings down like that, or that's not a balanced gimbal. And it doesn't have the lock bit to the quad lock system, so if you're having issues with the horizon being level, you can shift it a tad. But I've found that if you're picky about these things, yeah, I can't consistently get a level horizon on any phone mount, so that's a bit frustrating, but it's always good enough. It's also always level on the level indicator on the iPhone, whether you're using Blackmagic or Final Cut or whatever. Hope this was helpful. Give it a go, try it out. Make sure you get it exactly level, because you don't want to get this wonky donkey. That won't be good. So I have very basic skills and I managed to pull it off. So all the best if you want to try it out too. Bye.